to show you, I'ma make it a show.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Celia, and if you are returning, welcome back. Hold on, y'all. Let me see what this car goes. Y'all, I'm real nosy. Feel what I be doing while I be working. I be trying to. I bet they doing that Instacart stuff. They probably dropping off some packages supposed to some look like that's what they doing too. But if y'all are new to my channel, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to your girl channel, turn your bell on. I can't stress that enough. Hit the subscribe button and turn your bell on. It's free. Okay, y'all, I'm done. It's free, y'all. So in today's video, as y'all can see by the title, I'm doing the American trying the Mexican snacks, candy snacks, or whatever. It's gonna be short and sweet or whatnot. But y'all, before we get into this video, y'all, I am officially an Amazon influencer, so make sure y'all check out my store. The link will be down in the description box. Y'all go shop in my store. Okay. Okay, so now let's get into this video. Yeah, it's gonna be short and quick and simple. If y'all hear this noise, y'all already know my heater on. But y'all, I bought a whole bunch of stuff from the Mexican place, the Mexican store, Hispanic store, or however you want to say it. I showed y'all this in the previous video, my snacks. So I have the mixed nuts. Do we want to try these first? Snack mix. Yeah, I'm gonna try these first, y'all. I should have got them. Let me see if I can. Okay, I can break it up right here. Let's try it. Yeah, I like these little sticks, but I don't know about if I'm gonna like these right here. So let's try it, y'all. Pretty good. Let's try a nut from out of here. I like the flavor. This is I don't know what it's called. That ain't no nut, y'all. I don't like that. Whatever it is. Ugh. Well, I gotta get it out of my mouth. Hold on. Yeah, I ain't like that. But the little sticks in there are pretty good. So, okay, yeah, we finna move on to the mango. The hot mango with chili and lemon. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, that thing put a nasty taste in my mouth, y'all. I also got a Sheen unboxing I'm gonna do later. I know y'all, if y'all can see the boxes sitting right there. I'm gonna do a Sheen unboxing, and then I'm gonna do a Sheen try on haul for you guys. But make sure y'all go and check out my glasses. Order y'all some prescription glasses if y'all wear glasses. And they ain't even gotta be prescription, y'all. If y'all just like to look, y'all can also do that. Yeah, I can't get in this one. Use my teeth. Yeah, make sure y'all check that out. And what else? I told y'all about my Amazon. Y'all, I'm struggling. I'm sorry. But it's almost okay. There you go. Ooh, I don't know now. I don't like that either. Ugh. I'm sorry, y'all, but I don't like it. So y'all know I ain't finna open this one and try this one either. It's just the mango taste. I don't know. This got chili on it. I'll try that after I try. These are some hot Cheetos. Flaming hot Cheetos. What is they got in here? A coupon? I guess. This is how they look. They look almost like our Cheetos. Okay, I can eat those. They're pretty good. I give these a 10. The peanut, the mixed peanut, the sticks in them, I give them like an 8. But that other stuff, maybe a 4. These Cheetos real good. They're 5. Okay, let's try they. I just got some regular peanuts, y'all. They got chili on them as well. I can eat these too, y'all. They're good. They got a kick to them. Well, they do have chili on them, so I guess this the kick. I give these a 9. They pretty good. That chili kick is, yeah. I give those a 9. And last but not least, I got some, I don't know how to say it, fried corn strips, spicy lemon flavor. That's what it say on the bag. This is how they look. They not spicy. I thought they were gonna be spicy. You can taste the lemon, but you can't taste the spiciness. They good. I'll give them a 7.5. Yeah, 7.5. Yeah, I don't think I want to try this last mango. It's the texture of a mango. Y'all ain't trying this. Yes, I ain't. I'm gonna try it. Ooh. I don't like mango, y'all. I'm dropping stuff. Yeah, I don't like mango. I'm up here working. Well, right now I'm on my little lunch. So that's why I decided to record this video for you guys. Took me a little lunch break today. My child ain't called me today. She texted me, but she ain't called me. Ugh. Y'all, the smell, I can't do this. the smell gets to me. Like I already know I ain't gonna like, cause it smells some type of way. I'm sorry, I can't do this. But anyway, that is the end of this video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all like Mexican snacks, mangoes, and all that good old stuff, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And yeah, that's all for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss my next video. And your girl is out. Peace out. Love you guys. I'm gonna tear these hot Cheetos up though. They bust. Everything else, I'm gonna see if Zoe wants. So yep. Peace out. Love you guys.